Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run meta ads, directing it to your WhatsApp group. All right, how to run meta ads to your WhatsApp group. Now let me give you the reasons why you need to run meta ads to your WhatsApp group. If you need traffic, maybe your WhatsApp group is where you feel comfortable selling your product, telling people about your product. You can actually direct people down to your WhatsApp group. All right, or probably you just want to build a community of friends where you can sell your service, or tell them to take a particular action. Or maybe you are hosting a webinar, you are hosting a podcast, you are hosting an event, and you just want a particular community of friends. All right, you can actually set up a meta ad and direct people to that WhatsApp group. Let's just dive into action. Come to your ad manager. All right, click on create. Now there are four objectives for this. We'll have the traffic objective. Now if you look at here, you see traffic, and you see what it is good for. Come down, you see messenger, you see Instagram and WhatsApp. Same thing for engagement objective, same thing for lead objective, and finally for sales objective. Now if you notice, awareness does not have any WhatsApp. All right, same thing with app promotion. There's no WhatsApp there. But for the course of this training, we are going to stick with traffic objective. Later on, I'll just do a video on engagement, leads, and sales. All right, click here. Of course, we'll definitely go with manual traffic campaign. Very important. All right. Now you come here, set up um your campaign. For me, for campaign name, let's say I'm running um an ad to direct traffic to my WhatsApp channel, right? And that WhatsApp channel is just to grow my YouTube page here. Like I need to get people to my community, that's WhatsApp group, right? Then we engage each other and brainstorm a way to grow our YouTube pages, or just for new content creators. All right, YouTube channel. Yeah, I love to my budget strategy. I just love to keep it on asset budget. All right, this campaign budget is good for engagement and leads. Yeah, I love to use it for engagement and lead. But for other campaign type or campaign objective, I just love to use my assets budget. Let's move down to the ad level. All right, YouTube channel growth. It's always good for you to use a standard naming convention. All right, so let me put the date here. Me. All right, now what is our conversion method? Okay, conversion location, right? Messenger destination. All right, this would actually allow you to send traffic to Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So this is the best conversion to choose here. All right, not website, not app, please, not Instagram live video, but message destination. This is the best conversion you have to choose. Then come here. Now look at it, traffic goals. Which is the best traffic goal? You read, we will try to show your ad to people most likely to click on them, or we will try to show your ads to people, okay, most likely to have conversion with you through messaging. This is what you definitely will want. All right, yeah, maximize number of conversion. All right, now come here. You are not using messenger, all right, and you are not using Instagram. All right. What you want is to direct people to your WhatsApp group. Very, very important. Yeah, I definitely love using lifetime budget, but if you have enough money and you want to use daily budget, all right, you can always do that. Please, you can always do that. Then let yeah, you set that for 1 month, and okay, you can change your location here. Let's say we are targeting just content creators in Lagos, all right, just the whole Lagos. Yeah, very important. Then since you are doing content creator, let's look at 18 to let's say 40, 18 to 40. Of course, all genders. And okay, you know what, let's not just take, let's leave interest. Would have just add some interest, but let's just leave that. And of course, we'll be targeting both platforms, both Facebook and Instagram. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just leave it at advanced plus, and let's move to the next part. The ad level is actually where you do your main settings to direct people to your WhatsApp group. Very, very important. All right, your YouTube channel group. Of course, let's see, stick on single video. Okay, let me just see if we have. All right, let's just use this image. I just use any image based on, it's just a tutorial, right? uh okay, no, let me just copy any prompt. I think I should have something I can copy here. uh yep, let's just copy this. Just copy this. All right, yeah, headline normally should be chat with us, and your call to action should be send WhatsApp message. All right. mm, yeah, you can come and pick anyone. I mean, this is a nice, this are nice. Think about this. For me, I love using music, background music for my art, especially when it's still image. All right, I just love using background music. Yeah, this is actually a new update, yeah. But for now, we are not using this new update because our language is still in English. All right, so we are not using any of this. Um, I mean, let's just skip this. So, okay, we're done with this. Oh, we're done with this. I think this is where, yeah, okay, this is where we will come and set up. Uh, okay, call to action, send WhatsApp message, right? You can come down here to chat builder, all right? Then edit this, all right? You can create your template, but I already have template. You can come here to edit. Put your name. Oh, sorry, I said your name. Put your text, all right? Just introduce your community, what your community is all about. All right. Hi, welcome to Creative Room 303. We will help creators grow their YouTube channel the right way. I mean, this is okay. Ready to grow, you can shoot. All right. Come here, your call to action. All right. Call to action, visit websites. All right, call now. We'll definitely have to use visit website. All right, now you will have to add the website name. Now what would you add here? Let's say let's use our let's use our group link. Come here, come here, copy group link, please. Link here, copy your group link. It's copied. All right, then paste that here. This will be our website. All right, so once somebody click on this, it takes them to the website. This is it. You can also fill previewed messages. All right, these previewed messages are mostly auto messages, right? But since you have this, I won't really, I mean, just direct them to the WhatsApp group. But if you still need maybe more questions, maybe you can ask them, how did you get this how did you find this ad? Ask them their name, ask them their email. Then this is just an auto message, right? You can set all those here, but I mean, I don't know why I should be setting an auto message, why I already have this. This is just easy and straightforward. All right, then just save that. All right, so anyone who sees this and click on this, it will just take them to that message. All right, then they'll see the visit website, and once they click on that, they land on your group. All right, that is just all, that is all you need for this. All right, it's just this simple and straightforward. Okay, let's see how to create a template. All right, now you can create a template with this one. Say collect info with a form on WhatsApp. This template will actually help you collect information. All right, more like a maybe you want a lead. All right, their name, their email, yeah, in terms of form, right? That they'll be able to fill an instant form immediately they click on your ad. But start conversation is more like an automated message. All right, you ask them question, they reply you, and it's just an automated message. Just drop your questions there. All right, and they'll just reply. Next. Okay, next here you can just like you saw what we did there, you can feel what your group is all about. All right, come here, use this, and also put this as a group, the group link. You have it here. It's just as simple as that. All right, it's just as simple as that. This is it. We are good to go. All right, we are good to go. All right, so guys, that brings us to the end of this tutorial, how to run meta ads to your WhatsApp group, step by step guide. All right, step by step guide on how to run your meta ads to your WhatsApp group. Please do subscribe to this channel, like, turn on your notification button for another video, because I'm also going to teach you how to use the engagement objective, the lead objective, the sales objective to run your meta ads to your WhatsApp group. For those who are into selling, and I mean selling products, yeah, definitely you would actually enjoy it. And for those who want to generate leads, yeah, using your WhatsApp group, you would actually enjoy the coming videos. All right, so please turn on your notification, all right, and share this video to as many as you can. Thank you very much.